In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp group without adding contacts. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up WhatsApp and log into your account. Okay, now, so in order to do this, we want to go ahead and click on the send message button and then click onto new group. Then from here in new group, go ahead and do a search for yourself. So search for your phone number. So I found myself here. So now I'm going to add myself and click on the green arrow. But first I need to select myself. So there we go. I have selected myself. Then click on the green arrow. Then from here we can give this group a name. Now once you've given yourself a name, we want to go ahead and we can change these settings if we like, disappearing messages, group permissions, but for this demonstration, I'm just going to keep it simple. Click on the create group, and it should say you created this group with one member, and that one member is yourself.